Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Thrive Themes and Thrive Architect and interesting things that you should know about this amazing product. Thrive Architect has two core beliefs. Thrive Architect believes in speed. It's a true front-end editor taking away most of your frustrations. And the second belief, to make pages more engaged. I'm Dr. Loendi from LegitBlueprint.com, where I provide advice, training, and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Please subscribe to my channel and do not miss any forthcoming videos, as I'm making videos every week. Thrive Themes have lots of interesting information, and I decided that each week I will make a video related to Thrive Themes and Thrive Architect to help you to understand how it works. As you can see, there's enough to keep us busy for quite a long time. Thrive Themes. The full version of Thrive Architect offers a wide range of plugins and much more for you to enhance your website. It's all about conversion focus, and they don't give gimmicks. Your website's job isn't to look pretty. It should stand out, and it needs to support your business. A pretty website alone will not grow your business. A good website will turn your viewers into subscribers, fans, the power to convert, and that is why Thrive Architect can do everything in their power to make this work for you. And they give you the best possible tools to make your website. Thrive membership includes a few plugins that will help you creating your website. Members get access to a whole range of WordPress themes loaded with conversion and making sure that you using this product will have the best out of the product. This is the fastest, most conventional focused page builder, specially made for businesses and conversion focused. Visual editor for WordPress, so easy to use. And the plugin is a front-end editor so that you can, while you're looking at what you're doing, you can also see the change immediately. There's no clicks between different pages. You turn what you need to do and pull across and change and immediately see the change. The Thrive landing pages. Discover the fastest way to make a website. With this, templates that you could use ready for you. Most advanced, the Thrive leads. You can create opt-in forms, exit forms, two-step forms, multiple forms, and many more. You have even a test to see which of the forms produce the best results and the fastest way to grow a mailing list. The Thrive Clever widget. This makes your content more targeted and relevant. For every widget in your site, you can set up rules to determine which post and which page should it be displayed. This will show different content to different segments. Thrive Heading Optimizer is a plugin that helps you improve your content marketing. You can create alternative blog post titles which will be tested against each other. And the plugin measures exactly which one is the best and automatically remove the rest. So you will have the best page builder and the best page header in your website. Thrive Ultimatum is the most scarcity marketing tool available, also for you to use and to make sure that you get the best results in your website. Thrive Ultimatum brings the power of scarcity marketing to business. Thrive Ovation, all-in-one testimonial plugin. The social proof is one of the most important elements that you can add to your website. This shows that your visitors can trust you. A good testimonial will give you always good money. Find the testimonial. It can be very time consuming and frustrating. Without Thrive Architect, I only had ugly screenshots and scattered notes. But with Thrive Architect, with one click of the button, you can find your testimonial, and they have templates. You can decide how to put them out for your visitors and customers to see. So this is in short what you will get when you sign up for Thrive Themes. As promised, there's enough to keep me busy, and I will make weekly videos. Let me know if there's something specific you want me to look at first. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice, training, and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss any of my future videos. See you next time on the other side of the screen.